Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on LearnDash dashboard. A quick overview of the whole video. We are going to cover the overview of LearnDash dashboard, layout, course management panel, user and group management, progress tracking and reports, assignment and quiz management section, and notification and email settings, and some customization option available. So starting with the tutorial, I am going to the Wbcom site and you can try the sandbox to set up a demo. I have set a demo beforehand. It's going to the site. This is the site setup. You can see we have users, some default data already in the site. Okay, as you can see, we have some users also. So now going to the LearnDash LMS here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the courses set up already, and you can see the instructor. There's one instructor at the moment and one category. Now let's go to the backend. Login into the backend, you will have a quick overview of everything that is happening on your LMS. So as you can see here, we have all the charts, the reporting, any activity, filters, all set up, and the overview also set up. So let's go to the LearnDash LMS here. You will be taken to a quick setup of your site. You can set it up using this. Then you have the courses option. So here you can create a new course, add all the details, upload all the material here. Then you have also the shortcodes and the settings. So now going to the settings, you will have all the customization options available. Then under shortcodes, going to the lessons section. So now under lessons, you will have all the lessons that are uploaded on your site. You can quickly access them and view their information. Then under settings, again you have the customization options available here. You can add new lessons and using this button here. So now going under topics, we have all the topics that are available on our site. You can quickly access them and have a quick overview of all the topics. You can add new topics here from here. Then for settings, so now under settings we have quick settings that you can easily access and customize how your topics will be looking like. So now under settings you have all the options to how you can manage your topics. Then under quizzes sections, you have all the quizzes that are uploaded on your site. So you can manage, delete, or introduce, create a new quizzes. You have also option to use AI. Then for submitted essays, under all the quizzes, if there's submitted essay, they will be shown here. Now under settings, you have all the options to build your own quiz and how you want it to look like. Then going to the next section, that is questions. You can create new questions you want to add to your LMS. So I will simply click on this button and I will be taken to this site. You can add the question, any description you want to add with that, and then you can also upload the answer here. Okay, so going back, this is the settings section. These are all the settings available. You can set a default template for your questions. Then going to certificates. If you want to reward and gift some certificates, you can go to the section and create a new certificate. Then going to settings under this. Using the settings, you can draft default certificates that you want to award in your site. So now going to groups, you can create custom groups. You can have the option that certain users can group under particular group. So like you can create classes like let's say 3B class math section. You can create groups like these. Going to settings. Under settings sections, you will have the option to customize how your groups will be handled and looking like. Now going to the next section, that is challenge examinations. So now you can create challenge examinations. Under this section, you can create examination, like if a user want to skip a certain course, they can clear this examination and move to the next course. So it's a great way to judge people on the already existing knowledge they have. Now under assignments. So now under assignments, you can create new assignments to test your students on what they know, what they're learning in your classes. This is a great way to test them regularly. Under orders, you can view which customer has or what orders they have placed, then test orders they have placed. So this is all your orders will be under one tab. Going to reports, you can all your site information. So going to reports, all your site analytics will be here. You can see how your LearnDash is looking like, what your reports, what filters you are using, and see how many courses, essays, assignments, students are there. This way you have all your analytics at one place. You can export all this data also. Now going to the settings section, you will find tons of options. So let's go to the journal tab. Here you can set the color scheme of your whole LMS. You can set the logo. Then going to the registration. Now here you can set the registration and login page, which fields you will be requiring for the login. Now here you can set which page will be used for login, which page will be shown when it's a successful registration. Now going to the payment section. Now here you can set up your payment gateway. You have the option to connect PayPal, Razorpay and Stripe Connect. Then you can set the country and the currency. Going to the email section. Now under the email section, you can set which email will be sent when. So like if there's a successful purchase of the course, the email will be sent to the customer. Then you can also send the invoice also. Here you can set the name and from email. Now going to the LMS license. So now here you can add your license key and the email to activate the LMS. Translation options. So we have the translation options available. You can set which translation you want your LMS to have. Okay. Support section. So here you have all the support options. You can confirm the data deletion option also. So now advanced option. So you can have the option to, if you want to update, all will be shown here. All the update options will be shown under advanced options. So this is a little experiment tab. So if there's a new update or something, it will be shown here. So that was all in the backend. Let's go to the front end now. So this is the front end. All the courses are there, instructors are there. So let's go and see how it will look like. So this course option is also available in the sidebar. Now I'm going to see how the courses look like. Okay, so this is the course. We can continue this course. We have we are included in all the courses at the moment. So it's showing complete to continue. We have the lessons, topics, quizzes, students, certificate and assignment, and the details will be shown here. Then the course content, description, reviews will be shown here. So we can add the new review here. Let's say for the best course, I'm rating it a 5. Okay, submit. As you can see here, the rating is updated, our review is showing. Now let's switch the user and see how it will look like. Okay, now we have switched the user. This user is just a student. It doesn't have any access to the editing of the courses and site. I'm going to read more here this course. As you can see, this person is not enrolled. So we have the current status of that. We are shown the price. We can simply enroll in this course and set the payment. The instructor details will be shown, course content. Okay. So now this person is enrolled in this course, so he has the option to continue. All the details are shown here. Now the lessons, the person is enrolled. The lessons inside that are shown. We can continue and check them. Okay. So as you can see, if we are going to the next course, we will be asked to go back. We are not allowed the access. So going back. Then the next option. Now for the topics, as you can see, we are not enrolled in the topics at the moment, so we are asked to buy it. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this quick tour of the LearnDash dashboard was helpful. So with this tool, managing your online learning platform becomes much easier. So if you want a more user-friendly front-end experience for both admin and learners, consider using third-party tools that integrate with LearnDash. So that was all for this tutorial. So I hope this quick tour of the LearnDash dashboard was helpful. With these tools, managing your online learning platform becomes much easier. So thank you for watching. For more LearnDash tips and tutorials, stay connected with us.